First of all, as per your syllabus, you have to go through with kinematics. Okay, ক্লুজ আর একটা ওয়ার্ড আছে called dynamics. First we'll start with the difference between kinematics and dynamics. Fine. What we know, according to second law, we know F equal to mass into acceleration. We discussed in our previous class. Okay. Now, what is acceleration? It means change in velocity by time, that is rate of change of velocity. So, acceleration concerned with change in velocity. Suppose the initial velocity of an object was u. You exert a force on it, say F, its velocity becomes v after t seconds such that v greater than u. Quite natural, when the force is applied in the direction of the motion, the velocity is expected to be increased. Now, thing is that when you are considering or you are discussing the cause of motion, what is the cause of motion? Due to force. When we are considering or we are discussing the cause of motion or cause of change in motion, that part is called dynamics. So in dynamics, force is an important part. Whereas if you consider only motion, you are least bothered about the cause of motion. We are not taking into consideration what is the cause of the motion, but we are basically concentrate on the motion. Motion may be different type. It may be linear motion, it may be rotational motion, it may be projectile, etc., etc. We are discussing about the different kind of motion, its path, its type, its geometrical representation. All about this is kinematics. So in kinematics, we are least or we ignore the cause of motion. We are concentrated on the kind of motion, path of motion, time, displacement, acceleration, velocity, etc., etc. The key factors of kinematics are displacement, time, velocity, acceleration, etc. We should not think about the cause of motion. Fine. So the basic difference between dynamics and kinematics. Let's start with some formula.
Dynamics শুধু
not শুধু, it is related to cause of motion along with the motion. Mainly concentrate on the cause of motion. It relates between the force and the acceleration, but the main why acceleration is there? Due to force. We are more giving priority to the force and mass, not on the acceleration. That part is kinematics. Okay. First of all, we have to note some mathematical formula before starting our chapter. First, what we know, already we know, acceleration means change in velocity by time. Note down. Change in velocity by time. We are starting from here. Now, from here, v minus u equal to at, that we can write down. Okay? Or v is equal to u plus at. We know what is v, what is a, etc. V is the final velocity, u is initial velocity, acceleration, time. Look, we are not taking force over here. We are taking only different kind of velocity and time. So this is our first formula of kinematics. Write them quickly. Quick.